Hey, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome. If you're new here, we do everything beauty, brought to you by the queen herself. Ashante, very nice to meet you. If you're joining us again, welcome back. Thank you. It's so good to see you, my love. Today, we are bringing you eye accessories. Of course, I came across another queen doing this, so I definitely had to give it a try, and I wanted to share it with you. I think my favorite part about these things is that it's reusable and customizable. What? There's nothing better than customization, if you ask me. But anyway, we're just gonna get into this video. I'm ready to show you guys how I did this. I'm living for this look, so let's go. Okay, so let's go over what you'll need. You'll need your Swarovski crystals, or whatever kind of crystals. To be honest, you don't need them, but we all know I'm bougie, so of course I had to get these. Anyway, I got an embroidery hoop. This one's 10 inches, and yeah, just big enough to fit my face in it. And then I got some white tulle. Unfortunately, they didn't have brown, but you know, we're gonna work that out. It's fine. Next, you're going to need, if you have nails like me, some tweezers to place your gems, Avi, and some lash glue to secure them, and a marker to mark out where you're going to be placing them. So let's go. The first thing I did was take some powder and use that to tint the lace, or I'm sorry, the tulle, so that it was more my skin tone, so that it blended better. Next, I took a marker. I did use red, so it was something I could see a little bit better, and I'm just marking out where my facial features are. So my eyebrows, if you need to, your nose, your eyelids, and your crease. I did forget my crease the first go around, but marking this out, it'll be easier for you to know. Here you can actually exactly see how and where you want your just so you can see what I drew on my tool. I just wanted to make sure I knew exactly where I was placing everything that I wanted, so that's my ugly drawing, but we can get that out of there. And you're kind of just going to want to use your lash glue and just go at it. Place the gems wherever you'd like. Of course, my video of my gemming got deleted, but you can see I added my crease in here so that I knew exactly where the crease was going to be. And here you'll see the finished product. I did also, after I finished gemming, go ahead and put a bunch of lash glue on the back of the tool just to make sure all the gems were secured. And here I'm just testing it. And they are good. As you can see, they're not moving anywhere. Next is the easy part. We're just going to go ahead and take some small scissors just so that you can get all those smaller areas and cut these out. Just be really patient and of course really careful because you don't want anything to mess up. Now that our accessories are done, it's time to finish the rest of our face. So I'm just gonna go in as I normally would with some primer here. Here I'm just applying my foundation with the back of one of my brushes and blending it with my hands and a beauty blender. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and add some concealer and blend that all out. Next, I just went ahead and set all of my concealer with powder. And after that, we're just going to go ahead and follow with some contour to carve out the face. Next, it's just time to use my facial trio, which is just my bronzer, blush, and highlights. Always make sure you take a brief moment to feel yourself because you're a baddie. What? Flex. Absolutely. Here I'm just going ahead and doing my under eye color. And before we go ahead and glue on our accessories we made, I did just go ahead and do some single gems right near my inner corner, just to add a little bit more pizzazz over there or whatever. I could have made another piece, I guess, but I didn't want to. And here you can see how simple it was to put on these accessories we made. Like, literally, I did not think it was going to be so easy. Took my tweezers, plopped them on, made sure it was secure to the lash glue, and she was on. She was good. It's beautiful. I'm still shocked. As you can see, they passed the security test. They is held on, and we have a final look for you. Absolutely, I hate to say, but I ate this up. Look at that glow, and the Swarovskis, they're just shining. Best part is I can use these again and again and again if I want to. So pretty. Work, sis, work. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you're here for the next one. You guys are the best. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.